gonna take my darling home and lean on me always. Know the lonely way. Know the lonely too much, and you can be always.
The restaurant closes at 4:30, so if you want something, I think it's getting close to that time.
There's a restaurant up here? What in the world? There's a restaurant? Still trying to figure out. I'm trying to figure out what this guy is doing with the binoculars. What's he looking at? Is there something down there? Shut up. So I don't know where they went, but Natalia, Tasha, and Tasia kind of ditched me in regards to where I should go next. This looks interesting. Still don't know where they went. This is a nice little restaurant at the top of the mountain. Too bad it's closed. I guess it's a pull, not a push. My bad. I'm by myself. It's nice out here. Peaceful. Okay, I found them. I found them. Tolly! There she is. Us holding hands. This is love. Holding hands everywhere you go. What in the world? Successful. They pick up 7 yards.